Thank you guys for watching. You guys know what this is, man. This is JFK's Way. Today I'm showing you guys, at least I think I'm showing you guys one of those rare gems, man. You know I try to throw stuff at you guys that you do not see all the time. Stuff that just sells out in instants. But today I got somebody helping me out because just the excitement level of it. You know, I just couldn't do this one alone, right? I couldn't do this one alone. So if I can get my helper right here with me to come and show you guys what you got right here.
I got a box.
What do you think's in the box?
It's gonna be a hat.
It's gonna be a hat. He knows that much, clearly.
Don't know which hat it's gonna be.
Don't know which one. Let's get straight to it. I got a blade right here. I keep that trusty king blade right here with me. So we're gonna get to this, man. We're gonna bust this box open. I'm gonna let you grab it. Let you tell me what you think it is. So this, of course, I ordered it, so I know what this is. I've been waiting for this. This is a hat I've been hunting for a while. It came out. It sold out. I missed it when it sold out. But if you know me, you know I played for the red team most of my life, man. And my son's favorite color, of course, is blue. Naturally, how life works. But the man behind the mask, the guy that you see here, of course, he will inherit everything that you see behind me. He will be the future king of all of this one of these days. So, you want to show him what that is? Lo and behold, ladies and gentlemen, a rare gem. Go ahead and show it to him. Now, me personally, you know where I spent most of my life at?
Florida.
Right. So I spent most of my life in Florida. Now, this team right here is actually a Florida minor league team. This is the Kissimmee Cobras, ladies and gentlemen. Now, when I show you this, I show you this with all the glory, with all the guts and glam. Speaking of guts, the interior is white, green, classic Kelly green UV. Side patch, I'm not a huge fan of this side patch because it's actually been used on bison hats as well. But just this hat right here, it's almost flawless, right? Almost. But once again, what I told y'all.
So good.
They let me down. Now do your homework. Do your homework on how many hats I've shown y'all where they all doing this. Look, from back there, can you see that? Can you see anything on this hat? You can't see that, right? But from back there, you can see this though. You can see the one. You see what I'm saying? It hit different. It hit different when you wish that they would have. Now, this is literally virtually almost impossible for you to see unless I'm physically showing it to you right here. But ladies and gentlemen, this is the Kissimmee Cobras. This, of course, in the shades of Cobra Kai, the classic, very popular Netflix series that's been running around. I'm from that era of Mr. Miyagi, the Karate Kid, the wax on, like the original Karate Kid. Then even, you know, Mr. Smith, his son being a new Karate Kid. But this is just, it's not my era, a Karate Kid. So I just let it fit it though. I had to pick this up. One of those rare gems. You want to hold that for them?
Sure.
Now, I don't own too many of these. This hat sold out. This was a not finished release, I believe. And I'm going to show you guys, of course, the other one that I do own. Let's get it side by side. Set yours right here. I set mine's right here. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Now, this right here was actually, see what I'm saying? It hit different. It hit different when the side patch is way better on this one. Is the fitted better? Nah, it's not. It's not. But this one stands out a lot more. It's a lot more vibrant. As you can see, the two tones on this aren't bad, but this is more of a base level. But even with this, hold this for me, son. What I told y'all they be doing. It's crazy how good you are at that, which is so wild, right? Kids, man, kids. But those are just some of the Cobra Kai's I own. Let me hit y'all with another one because it ain't over. It hit different. It do hit different when you bring out the side patch become, let's see the purple one. It hit different when the side patch become the front logo. It do hit different. It do hit different. I be telling y'all that. Do your homework. Do your homework. But once again, right, listen, these are all from different companies, which is the crazy thing about it. These are all from different companies, right? My son dropping hats, as y'all see. Look at this. It's a letdown. Look, he know already.
Why?
That's exactly what I said. Y'all could have made this white. I could have made this red with the red stitching. They probably should have made it bronze with like the bronze, you know, embroidery right here for Kissimmee Cobras is going around the work.
Except for the light same green.
I don't know why, man. I don't know. I'm still trying to figure it out myself. But again, these are all, every one of these hats are from different locations. Every one of them, right? But then we got this is the grail of them all for me. If you guys do your research, do your homework. I travel. I got this straight from New York. So shout out to the guys over at Toppers. Of course, also a different side patch. But they didn't let me down, man. You really, if you can't see that, it's okay because the hat is camo. The hat's a real tree camo hat. But You see what I'm saying? It hit different. It do hit different. When it's a camo hat and they still wanted the new era, it hit different. It do hit different. But that's actually my little mini clip, man. What is that? 2, 4? It's 4. I only got 4 of these. There's a few more out there, but the ones that's out there I really didn't want. So there is a few more of these. And as you guys see, man, let's show them the whole side piece. All 4, same team. Just got some glory, man. Just got some glory. So you want to take them out? Tell them thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for tuning in. But we have one more thing
What?
need to show you. One more thing.
God, you want to show them yours?
For the Panther.
For the Panther. You heard what he said, man. I know how we do. Avengers Side Patch. This is actually a children's hat that was actually sold at Lids. So glad he actually did get that. Of course, you see it's a snap, so I can't do it. I can't condone. But shouts out to the guys over at Lids too, man. Thank you guys for giving us, something that kids can also enjoy and wear. But peace and love. Thank you guys for tuning in. And as always, what do we say?
Wakanda forever.
Wakanda forever.
Peace.